All right, you see that there. Look at that. A mixed lender portfolio, $27.8 million, 41,000 accounts. Charge off date is 3/15/2011. Average balance is $678.91. Let me tell you, if you have debt collectors coming after you, you need to grab my 3 pack of letters. Link is below this video, because if you don't know your rights, they're going to be able to get either a judgment, or they're going to make problems for you, because you're going to end up making a mistake and resetting this type of debt. There's 41,000 accounts out there. They're taking a chance that out of the 41,000 people, there's going to be a large number that doesn't know their rights. So please, the link is below this video, where you can get a letter to respond to any debt collector that is trying to either sue you, or that is just sending you a letter trying to attempt to collect the debt.